Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here, and it's strawberry season in Miami. It's spring wherever you are, and that is a wonderful thing. I know we are ready for spring. We are going to make such a simple strawberry cake, you're going to love it. This is a strawberry cookin, which is related to cobblers, to grunts, to betties, to buckles. They have these kind of homely names, and they're very simple. The fruit is the star of the show. So what I'm going to do is get my hands in it. I'm going to crush these berries with my hands because strawberries are pulpy. They do better crushed than sliced. I've got 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar here. I'm only going to add half, oh look how pretty, to the berries. The other half goes in the batter. I have a wonderful friend, Carolina Mollet, who has just opened the most amazing patisserie, everything vegan. She can do jewel-like pastries and stuffed croissants. This is not that. This is where you let the strawberries shine. And when they are more mush than berry, then we move on to the batter. One way you know you have good berries, they're always so beautiful, aren't they? But one of the ways you can tell is bring a basket up to your nose and they should smell very sweet, but they should also smell just a little bit winey. There should be more to a berry than sweetness. It should have a richness, a depth, a little tartness. You know how strawberries are. Okay, so now I have half a cup of Miyoko's butter, which I have melted. 1/2 cup oat milk. And I'm going to add my other 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar to this and clank a little bit. Just stir that together until it's dissolved. And I'm not adding any citrus, I'm not adding any spice, I'm letting the strawberries star. Gosh, they do smell so good. You know, strawberries are related to roses. I thought that was a cool thing to know. 1/3 cup unbleached all-purpose flour. Actually, I lied. 2/3 cup. 1/3 cup almond flour. You can do it all with all-purpose flour. I just like the almond for a little fiber and protein and interest. And I also think almonds and strawberries are very nice together. And 1 teaspoon baking powder. In the 17th century, a botanist said, "Doubtless God could have made a better berry, but doubtless God never did." And I want that to be your strawberry experience. So here's my batter, all nice and golden and buttery, and it goes in a lightly oiled 8-inch pan. Get all your batter in there. And spread it out so everything's nice and covered. But the real good bit's the berries. Here they come. Why can't you smell them? They smell so good. That is another thing about strawberries, what I like about this cake. It's best when you make it, it's best warm. I know we like berries cold because they're refreshing, but especially with strawberries, I think the flavors just bloom closer to room temperature. Okay, so in everybody goes. And here we are, putting it in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. See you back here. Here we are. Our strawberry cooking is done. You know, strawberries really don't want you to be disappointed. I sort of think of them as nature's tough love lesson in eating seasonally and locally. This cake is so tender and it should be enjoyed now. So really, you can just spoon it up. And I want to give credit to Jarell Gee, who has the blog Basil for Chocolate. She has a slightly different version of this recipe. This is vegan, but it is at heart a recipe that lets strawberries sing. Oh man, that is so simple, so good. Strawberries really don't want to disappoint you. And they don't want you to waste either. So here's a neat trick. When you slice up your strawberries and take the stem bits, put them in a pitcher of water, and you have agua fresca, a very refreshing, berry infused water to take you through the day for free, because nature doesn't want you to waste either. Till next time, people, enjoy spring, be well. This is Ellen Canner. See you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.